Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Navien tankless water heater code E110 exhaust overheat reset guide. So fix 1 is power reset the water heater. Turn off the Navien water heater, turn off the circuit breaker connected to the unit, then wait for 5 minutes. Turn the circuit breaker back on, turn the water heater back on. Then second fix is clean the air intake filter. Turn off the water heater, remove the front cover, locate and remove the air intake filter, then rinse the filter with clean water and remove dust or debris. Let it dry completely and reinstall it. Put the front cover back on. Third fix is check the exhaust vent. Turn off power and gas to the unit. Inspect the exhaust vent for leaves, dirt, bird nest, snow or ice. Remove any blockage you find. Make sure the vent pipe is not crushed, disconnected or sagging. Restore power and gas. Fourth fix is inspect the air intake pipe. Locate the intake pipe outside the home, then check for debris, snow, ice or obstruction. Clear any blockage. Ensure the intake opening has proper airflow. Thanks for watching.